Back into the darkness I dwell. Back into the darkness I wallow. Swallowed up by it. Man. 2020. 2020 has been a rough year, right guys? Just trying to get by it. Doing the best I can. Gonna get out on the road. What are you guys doing to deal with the soul-crushing experience it is to slide through 2020? I'm forcing myself to get out on a bike today. Hopefully feel a little bit better. Hey, let's get out on the road. Got some roads to explore. Got some wheelies to do. And hey, time to feel better. Hey, let's get out there. Come for a ride with me. Underdog, Moto, Mania. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Hey, helps me out. See you guys on the road. Let's go. Ooh. 701 cold start. Barely. Alright. Let's go. Hey. It started. Oh man. Party time. Party time. Ah, god dang it. Let's go. Let's go. Man, haven't been out on this bike in too long. First wheels up action felt felt good. Felt good. Car's going the other way. I had a suspicion I had a car behind me, but hey, I wasn't checking my mirror for nothing. Jeez. Good job, Underdog. Crazy. Yay, yay. Back brake down. Get used to that action. Back on the road. Thank goodness. Always say goodness, always. Oh man. Hey, what brings us here today? Out exploring. There was a couple more roads out towards Leroy, New York. I had a I looked over on the way home last time and I was like, oh, I wanna check out that road. Wanna find another spot to launch the drone, maybe some different scenery for y'all. I like to get the drone up when I do second gear wheelie practice, and I don't know, it's the same spot. You guys get sick of it. I don't know. It is cool though. It's just interesting to have that perspective for me to see how I'm progressing, see how high the front wheels are getting up. And you know, that sort of feedback helps me out, so I like to get it up and I like to share it with you guys, and just my progress and my experience, you know. Woo. Woo. Ah man, haven't been up on one wheel in too long. So I gotta say, even the bike, whoa, and it's windy. Wow, it's windy AF, guys. I'm not liking this situation. Holy cow, why is it so windy today? It might have been a reason why I was feeling squirrely at the top, like off the ground. Right. Woo! Oh man, that felt weird. I think it's the wind. Holy cow. GoPro on the side of your helmet on a windy day, it like certainly exacerbates the problem. You just have a giant wind sail on the side of your helmet, and wow. and it definitely pulls your head to that direction. I'm gonna say it feels, other than the wind, like wanting to pull my head to the one side because of the GoPro, it feels great temperature wise. Just the wind for what I like to do. It's a little disconcerting. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh shit. Ooh, sugar. Man. Oh crud, man, it's so windy. And you can feel that it's actually blowing my tire to the right or the left. I don't know, maybe it's swirling because the wind looks like it's blowing that way. My tire was going that way. Maybe it's because I was like trying to push up against the wind and I'm like overcompensating. Woo. Yeah. With the wind, I got up right around that point and it was like, it swirled on me. I'll tell you guys, ever since my crash, I do err a little bit on the side of caution. And like maybe it stunted my growth a little bit as someone who likes to do wheelies, but at the same time, maybe it's keeping me from repeating the problem. But hey, I'm too old to recover from too many broken bones. I don't know if I'll be able to yeah, it's a rough day, but I might see what we can get up the hill. Down. Perfect timing. Vehicle coming the other way. But yeah, with the wind, not feeling it. It's really quite bad today. Woo! Oh boy. Yeah, clowning. Woo. Oh, there's that dry creek bed again. Post-it land too. Getting ready on that brake. Wasn't as bad. Whoa, steep. Okay. Well, I thought this is a road I knew, but wow, it come down into such a steep downhill. Wow. And then it goes back up over there, which is kind of cool, kind of very cool, into a T road. Oh fudge. Oh fuck you. Wilcocker Road. immediately blowing me towards the center and over the center line with the wind. Yeah, the wind's bad today. Like after I saw that one road, I was like, oh, I know this road up there. This looks familiar. Boom, boom, bada bing, bada boom. And we're here. Creek. It's kind of a nice curve. Yeah. Okay, the other way would be much better. My God. Fudger, mudger. God, I just picked it up crooked as heck. Woo. Oh, damn, again. Oh, man. Like, oh, it almost felt like the back wheel was loose, which, it's a good way to die, right? The wind, is that it felt bad on the way up, but then I stabilized it. Oh, crap. Chain's a little loose. Huh. Right. Oh wow, it's quite a curve by the train tracks. Oh, hi. I got turned around a little bit. Ah man, trying to get killed. Not hard enough. Whoa. That ass though, that ass though. Alrighty then. Thanks for coming out on the ride today. Just a little ride exploring, huh? Just looking for another spot to get the Skydio 2 up. Didn't really find much. I don't know, might have to do some internet research to see if I can find a spot that'd be good to get it up. Anyway, just a little exploration ride. A little too windy to get the drone up today anyway. But anyway, if you made it this far, why don't you like, comment, subscribe to my content. Until next time, guys, come ride with me, Underdog Moto Mania out. Yeah.